Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I really hope you guys are happy. I am doing amazing and I'm super excited to bring you guys this video today. In today's video, we're going to be doing a really quick pantry organization, and this is going to be something any household can do. I have a household of 4, so I need a realistic pantry organization, and I'm super excited to bring you this one today. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clear out everything in the pantry. I didn't want to bore you guys with taking everything out. So these are the last few items that I have to grab. Then I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into cleaning off the shelves. While I was doing this, I had a creative idea of, maybe painting or putting some wallpaper against the wall, maybe painting the shelves a different color. You guys let me know what you think. I didn't do that in this video, but I was thinking about that. The water, I was going to take it out, but you guys, it's too much water. That water is heavy. So I just decided to go ahead and move it to the top shelf, clean it, and then move it back in this place because it will be staying there. So if you guys are wondering what I'm cleaning the shelf with, I'm just using a multi-purpose cleaner and a microfiber cloth, and I'm just getting it good, dusting off everything. I also made sure to sweep and mop the floors just to ensure that everything was being sanitized and clean. Now I do want to show you guys exactly what I am using. I bought this shelf because of our top layer in the pantry. I wanted to organize our cleaning products on this shelf. It happened to be too large. After I got home, I realized it, so we didn't use it. I took it back to Target. And I also bought a Ninja blender because our blender had broke. I think I mentioned that in a vlog or so. These baskets here, they came from Home Goods, as well as these decorative jars. The clear jars and with the wooden tops, they all came from Target, and the jars with the black tops came from Home Goods, and some came from TJ Maxx. I did a lot of shopping around to assure that I can find exactly what I wanted and at the price I wanted because these things can be very expensive, but I am actually very happy with everything I purchased, and I'm happy how everything turned out. Now this was a 2-day project. The day before, I started loading everything in, separating the food, taking the food out of their boxes or bags and putting them in their new containers. Now I did sanitize and clean every single container and every single top, so no worries you guys. Make sure you do that when you're organizing your pantry, just to ensure that all your food stays safe and fresh. So as I stated before, guys, I got these wire baskets from Home Goods. I really like these baskets. This project has probably been done as of you guys seeing it I would say for about a month. Yes, I am a little late on posting videos. I'm extremely busy. We just opened up a business and it's doing very well. So my time has been dedicated to family and to business. So I hope you guys understand that. And thank you guys so much for just loving me, being so loyal. Make sure you guys tell a friend about me, and make sure you tell them to subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you don't have your notification bell on, make sure you turn it on right now. It's free and it doesn't hurt. But yeah, these baskets here, I purchased these at Target and absolutely love these as well. They hold a lot and they can take a lot of weight. I decided to put tissue, paper towel, and our bottled water in these baskets to house those in there. Now this is exactly how all the food looks once I was done filling up all the baskets and the containers. The last thing I have to do is actually put the labels on them, and we should be good to go to putting everything in the pantry. So now that everything is in its proper container, I'm going to start placing everything inside the pantry. I did not have a method of how I was going to place things. I kind of went with where things were previously. They were just unorganized, and also just with the feeling of where do I want to grab for things when I'm cooking. I wanted all the grains to be on one level. I wanted all the sweets and breakfast things to be on one level. So I kind of just went like that. I'm bringing everything in very carefully because all of these jars are glass jars, and that was done purposely. I like the aesthetic, I like how it looks, and just the clean, sleek look of everything. So I'm very happy and pleased so far with how things are turning out. This is a project that I actually been wanting to do for months. I just honestly haven't gotten around to it. I also had this thought in my mind that it would be a lot more difficult than what it was. So you guys, I allowed fear to kind of run me over when it came to this pantry until I just kind of bursted and said, no, we need to organize this pantry right now. So if you're thinking that this is going to be a difficult project, it's all about organization and having a plan, and you can get through this project with ease. I'm telling you, I did not think twice after I wrote everything down. I just kind of organized my list of food and what I wanted everything to go into in regards to containers or baskets. Let me know down in the comments below, have you organized your pantry? What stores did you shop at to buy your containers? Did it stay organized? Let me know in the comments down below. So guys, we are coming close to filling up the pantry. I'm getting super excited because it's looking like everything is going to fit perfectly. I wanted all the baskets on one side and I wanted all the jars on the other. It was just a certain aesthetic that I kind of wanted to go with and see how that turned out, and I'm actually loving it. As you guys can see, I put all of our canned goods in those wicker baskets and they are hidden. They look so good. There are a few things that I still need to grab. For the baskets, there are some clip labels that I need to add, and I'm waiting on them from Amazon. But now we're coming up on the final touches, and this is what the pantry turned out to look like.
So guys, this is what the final look looks like, and honestly, I am very, very pleased with how everything turns out. It just looks and feels so organized. It feels so fresh and clean in here, and I just feel like this is going to help me with my grocery shopping. I won't be over purchasing. It'll also help me with keeping my food fresh and making sure we utilize all of our food before things go bad. And also, this is going to help with our diet, making sure we stay on track with eating healthy. I am just so pleased with how everything turns out. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you like it? Is this something that you think you can do to your pantry to keep you organized? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a really, really, really big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on that notification bell, and as always, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.